The proposed state police bill has now reached the various state houses of assembly across Nigeria for consideration, bringing the country closer to a decision that could fundamentally alter its current security architecture. Akahi News gathered that the bill seeks to amend relevant constitutional provisions to allow state established and control their own police formations while maintaining the existing federal policing structure. Akahi News learned that the move comes at a time when many Nigerians are questioning the effectiveness of the current centralized policing system amid persistent cases of banditry, kidnapping, terrorism, and communal conflicts and violent crimes across several parts of the country. The development is significant because it shifts the debate from political speeches and policy discussion into the realm of constitutional decision making. What exactly has changed following this report? Before I read that, take note that intensive tutorial for 2026 OAU Post-UTME, OAU Pre-Degree, OAU JUPEP is currently in progress at Akahi Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. You can contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. For decades, Nigeria's security system has remained largely centralized. Take note of that point and pay attention. Under the current arrangement, state governors are frequently referred to as chief security officers of their states, yet they have limited control over police operation within their territory. Take note of that. Supporters of state police argue that this contradiction has weakened security management and slowed responses to local threats. They contend that security challenges in Zamfara may require different policing strategies from those in Lagos, Rivers, Borno, or Ekiti states. According to this school of thought, locally controlled police forces would possess better intelligence, stronger community relationships, and faster response capabilities. However, opponents believe the proposal carries serious risk. One of the strongest fears is that state police may become political instrument. Take note of that and pay attention. In the hands of who? The governors. Critics warn that without strong safeguards, opposition politicians, journalists, activists, and critics could become vulnerable to harassment by state-controlled security agencies. The debate, therefore, goes beyond security. At its core, it is a conversation about power, accountability, democracy, and the future of Nigerian federalism. The critical question is no longer whether Nigeria needs security reforms. The real question is whether state police is the right reform. 5 things every Nigerian should note concerning this report. Number 1, state police is no longer just a proposal. Number 2, Nigeria currently operates a federal police structure. Number 3, supporters believe state police can improve security in Nigeria. Number 4, critics fear abuse of power. Number 5, the outcome could redefine Nigerian federalism. The question compiled for your personal reflection. Number 1, if governors are expected to secure their states, should they continue to depend entirely on a police structure control from Abuja? Number 2, Can a centrally controlled police force effectively respond to the diverse security realities of more than 200 million people? Question 3. What mechanisms can prevent state police from becoming political weapons during election period in different states if fully activated? 4. Could state police reduce insecurity or merely transfer security challenges from the federal level to the state level? 5. Is Nigerian security problem fundamentally structural, or is it more about leadership, funding, and accountability? I think take note of this and pay attention. 6. If state police become a reality, who will hold them accountable when abuses occurred? Akahi News recommends the following based on this report. 1. Any state police framework should contain strong constitutional safeguards against political interference. 2. Independent oversight commissions should be established in every state to investigate compliance and misconduct. 3. Recruitment and promotion should be merit-based, insulated from partisan influence. 4. State police officers should receive standardized training consistent with national security objectives. 5. Clear operational boundaries should be established between federal and state policing authorities. 6. Funding structure should be transparent and sustainable to prevent poorly equipped state police formations. 7. Lawmakers should focus on building institutions rather than creating structures that could later be abused by political actors. You can visit akahinews.org for the question and answer section. Akahi News. You can Google this or visit this directly. This URL, akahinews.org. Thank you for joining me. I'm Joseph Iyaji.